What's up, man? It's that One Stop Slab Shop. Trying to get my videos back up, man. Get my videos up. Been slipping and my pimping. You know how it is when you working too goddamn much. I'm gonna show y'all how to make, y'all need to stop playing with them bullshit ass RCAs, man, and make you some heavy duty ones. Cause them little bullshit ass RCAs are trash, man. They break too goddamn much. Yo. So basically, we go to Radio Shack. We get you some wire from Radio Shack too. Some good ass wire, real thick. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna break. You can pull on it, bend on it, whatever the fuck you wanna do. It ain't gonna break. You gotta excuse the stove, man. You gotta finish cooking. We'll put that shit down. Look. You know what I'm saying? You get you some little RCA tips. Get you some wire. What I use flux when I solder. You feel me? Get you some flux. Get you some flux solder. Get your soldering gun. It's easy to solder. You ain't gotta know how to solder something, man. That's why you got the flux. You're gonna get you some wire. You know, so you already know you're really gonna be your hot, your positive. That middle right there, that's gonna be your positive right there, your positive. You're gonna slide it in like that, and you're gonna solder it down like that. You want to put your little flux on it though. First, you want to get your solder iron a little wet with the flux. You're gonna smoke a little bit. This shit stink too. You're gonna put you a little bit on your wire. You get on your hands, man. This shit is sticky. You can wash and wash it. It's sticky. It ain't gonna come off. If you wash your hands 1, 2, 3 times. You know what I'm saying? Get you a little bit on there. All right. That's my fuck up. I should have put this on first. Make sure you put this on first, man. My hands dirty. I've been goddamn changing my brakes this morning. All right. There's something else you gonna need too, man. Heat shrink. Some people use torches. I use the tighter, you know, so a lighter. I mean, you know, I'm hood, so whatever. My old lady scissors. Cut your little piece. All right, let's get ready to do this, man. I'll slide that in like that. Good to put it. You really, I was supposed to have like a little clamp, get like a little clamp or something to hold it, man. But I forgot to pick one up, so I'm just do it like this. Best way I can right now. Hold on. Move too fast. Alright, I saw this shit. When you use that flux, man, it's so much easier to solder, man. Like, nigga keep fucking up. Get you a little bit. So when you get you some of that right there, it's gonna make that stick easier. The stick still gonna be fall off, but you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get some. You gonna do this, just tap it on there and hold it. See, solder. Then you gotta make sure you get the make sure you get it in the little hole too, man. I know this bullshit ass video, man. Fuck it. See that? Nice and clean. You're gonna take your heat shrink. You're gonna put it over it. Probably want to bend that down a little bit. Like that. Oh, you know I'm a Texan fan, man. That's all you gotta do. It's gonna shrink up. Bam. Fuck that up. Then you're gonna get this your ground wire right here. You know your black is your ground, whatever. This bottom piece right here is your ground. So what you want to do is slide in that little hole right there. Just a little bit. Matter of fact, we're gonna get that little tip. We're gonna put a little bit on the tip so the little strands won't be poking through the heat shrink. You don't want them touching, man. That ain't too much. All right. Dip it, get you a little bit of the flux. Hold on. Don't put it on there too thick. There we go. All right. I'll make a better video, man. I'm just trying to throw me a quick video on right quick. I ain't got nothing else to do. Easy, simple, done. Can't get no better. And what you gonna do is, shout that. When you solder something, man. I know some people, y'all put your radio. I used to do the same thing when I first started this, man. I put my radio in. I just put a piece of tape around my wires, man. No deal, man. Don't do it. Radio gonna be cutting off. You're gonna be worried about why one of your speakers cutting off or making all this old bullshit ass noise. And the best wire to get, this is just temporary wire I got right quick, man, just to do something quick because something wrong with my EQ, my wire bag, because I use the cheap wire. The best wire to get for this is shielded wire, kind of like cable wire, coaxial cable, whatever. It's shielded. It protects the noise, but I got noise isolators up in the car, so I'm not gonna hear no noise. You know, the little noise people get from the amps. What you want to do is you want to take this and clamp these down, man. I ain't got no wire cutters around me. So I'm going to do it the hood way. I'm going to crimp it down just like this on the edge. Just fold it down. You just want to fold them down. I mean, really, basically, now it's done. I'm dirty, man. I've been, you know what I'm saying, changing the brakes. But try to keep that wire straight when you're doing that because it's going to make it harder to slide it up and twist it and screw it back on. Screw this shit back on. Hold on. like that. And you can put a piece of heat shrink right here, you know. Let me see something. Alright. Harbor Freight, $2, man. Dollars and change, really. Whole pack. Try it on. I'm trying just to cover this little bullshit up right here. Protect your wires, man. I will protect your wires. Shrink it. Some people like to use little mini torches, man. You can get a lighter, man. Same shit. Same shit. When you put it too close, you get the little burn marks. That's alright though. Easy, simple. Heavy duty RCA jacks, man. You ain't gotta worry about your shit breaking. You know, cheap ass RCA, they be coming in them amp install kits, them kicker amp install kits and all of those bullshit. That's bullshit, man. That's bullshit. Real shit. Alright, man. One Stop Slab Shop, man. Watch the video. I got more videos coming next week, man. I haven't decided if I want to do the rear deck. The rear deck, goddamn, that light bright. The rear deck, the console. I don't know, man. Maybe y'all should give me some ideas of what to do next, man. What to really start on. I just got a new car, so I'm starting all over. I got a 96 Lincoln Town car, fresh butter. Everything look good in it, man, but I'm ready. So rear deck console, whatever y'all want me to start on, man, I'm starting on it. Whatever y'all want, let me know.